Hello. Once again, today I want to discuss a passage from the Gospel of Matthew that is distinctive to Matthew and that illustrates his perspective on Jesus. And so today I will comment briefly on chapter 24, in which Jesus gives his apocalyptic vision. Recall that Jesus in the first century lived during a time of high apocalyptic expectation among the Jews of Israel. And that's because after 500 years, more or less, of foreign domination, they were hoping that God was going to soon visit them and was going to restore his sovereignty in Israel by getting rid of the Romans. Jesus would have known about this apocalyptic expectation. He would have, apparently, according to the Gospels, he accepted it. And in this passage, he talks about those things that are to happen that precede the restoration of God's sovereignty in Israel. So he talks first about how there will be destruction, that there will be persecution. So he talks about how Jerusalem will be destroyed, and that they themselves, Jesus' followers, will be called to testify and will be persecuted and killed. They will deliver you to tribulation and will kill you, and you will be hated by all the nations because of my name. Okay? He talks about the abomination of desolation, which is a prediction from Daniel the prophet. Okay? And so here we can see that Jesus is very much a Jewish Messiah. But at the end of all of this, and again, this is a sign of Matthew's Jewish focus, he says that after all of these things happen, the Son of Man will return. The Son of Man will return in glory, and he will send forth his angels with a great trumpet, and they will gather together his elect from the four winds. In other words, this is a prediction, if you will, of the imminent return of the Son of Man and the imminent restoration of Israel to its former glory. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and have a great day.